One of the responsibilities that come with handling your money is that we always have to comply with the laid down rules by our regulators. Some of these rules have been put in place to prevent money laundering, fraud, or abuse of our financial system. Upon signing up, you need to verify your account to get the best possible transaction limit. Each currency wallet has its corresponding transaction limit. To check out your limit, click on your account avatar at the top right corner of your screen. You will see information about your daily limit just below your account summary. If your account is unverified, your limit will be 0. Be sure to get your account verified as soon as possible. When you exceed your transaction limit, you will have to wait until the next cycle, that is, the next day or the next month, before you are able to resume carrying out transactions. If you need help or have further questions regarding transaction limits on Lemonade Finance, please don't hesitate to reach out.